Hey guys, so this is a follow-up video on replacing the ignition switch in the Volkswagen. I just finished putting the new replacement German-made switch in the car. It's more of a challenge than I expected it to be, but it's done. Here's the original one. As you can see, this piece here snapped off here. That's where the failure was. Also, when I pulled the switch out, I found that the wire going out of the switch to the starter was disconnected from the back of the switch. So potential two different failure points on what appears to be the original switch. But now that I've got the replacement switch in, I'm having second thoughts about recommending the German switch over the one made in Taiwan. The connections on the back of the replacement German switch, it's a good thing they're soldered because the crimp connections on there are not very strong. And moving around the switch while I was installing it, I noticed those crimp connections were kind of failing a little bit weak. So I'm not really impressed with the quality of it. I suspect that maybe it was made somewhere else and then imported into Germany, and they maybe soldered the connections or something and threw it in a box and said made in Germany. But it's definitely not seemingly of better quality than the one made in Taiwan. The one made in Taiwan is half the price. So if you're looking to replace yours, try the one from made in Taiwan and see how it works. Hopefully the key action will be a little bit smooth on the one you get compared to the one that I got, but I think it's definitely worth trying first. So having said that, let me show you the car. So I fished the wires into the front trunk from the switch. They were barely long enough. So here's this white with the red stripe is power to the starter. It just barely reaches the original connector here. The power one, I've got a inline fuse in there now, so I'm not sure how well it reaches over to the headlight switch. But the black wire that powers the fuses over here, that definitely was short. All of the wires require spade connectors to be crimped or soldered onto them because they don't have any out of the box. And the one going to the fuse here, it goes to the fuse here, and then there's a pigtail that goes over to the speedometer to provide power for the warning lights there. So basically what I did is I cut the old wire, black wire, off the old switch and soldered it onto the new wire to make sure it was long enough and to make sure I have that pigtail going over to the speedometer. So it works, I can't complain, but we'll see how long it lasts. So if this video helped you any, let me know in the comments below, and I'm going to go for a ride now, so have a nice day.